Welcome to ProHubcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Wednesday, April 21st, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Sarah Fletcher. Today's news is sponsored by Covenant Reliance Producers. We build success stories. For more information, please visit www.crproducers.com. Now for today's headlines. The International Monetary Fund increased its 2010 global growth forecast, having announced that the economy will expand 4.2% in 2010. This figure, which is compared with a January projection of 3.9%, represents the fastest rate since 2007. While this news is encouraging, the IMF also said a failure of nations to contain soaring public debt could have severe consequences for the world economy. In economic news, General Motors says it's repaid the $8.1 billion in loans from the U.S. and Canadian governments. In an effort to evade bankruptcy, the automaker last year received $52 billion from the U.S. government and $9.5 billion from the Canadian and Ontario governments. GM is on the road to recovery, according to its CEO, who said the company is investing $257 million in two plants, which will focus on the next generation of the Chevrolet Malibu. Also in economic news, the price per barrel for oil this morning dipped 30 cents to $83.55 on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This news comes just a day after the American Petroleum Institute said crude inventory fell 741,000 barrels last week, an announcement which may have suggested increased demand of the commodity. Finally, while the figure is now down nearly 2% for the week, oil prices still remain more than 80% higher than this time last year. I'm Sarah Fletcher, and thanks for watching ProHubcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.